We're going to be talking about triangles. Triangles are three-sided figures. The prefix tri means three, and angles, we've been talking about those. It's where those two sides meet, those two rays meet, those two vertices meet. We have angles. So it tells you exactly what it is. It is a three-angle figure. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, there are two ways to classify triangles. You can classify triangles by their angles. You take a peek, you look at the angles, you see what type of angles are involved in that triangle, and you name it according to the angles, or you can name triangles by their sides. And to be honest, our book does not talk about that, but I know you guys have seen those before because you've been using words like equilateral. An equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal in length. Then we have, this one's hard for me to spell, isosceles, okay? 3 equal sides. This one has 2 equal sides. And then we're left with the weird looking ones, scalene. There are no sides that are equal. Our book really doesn't talk about these, but I know you've seen them on map testing and other things, so I wanted to mention it. What we've been talking about in our book, you can look at the angles, and if you have acute angles in your triangle, acute one, less than 90 degrees, less than 90, less than 90, less than 90. Your triangle is called acute. Now you can look at the angle and, oh, that's such a terrible artist. Straight down, straight out. Usually has that little boxy thing there. Okay, look at that angle. What's special about that angle? It's a right angle. It's a 90-degree angle. So we call that a right triangle. Easy enough? Now let's look at this angle. What kind of angle is that? That one is obtuse. Okay, it's one of those big fat ones. So an obtuse angle means it's big and fat. Well, guess what? If you stick that in a triangle, we call that thing, yeah, an obtuse triangle. So that's how we classify our triangles, by looking at their angles. These are little acute ones, so it's an acute triangle. This one has one right angle, so it is a right triangle. This one has the big fat one, it's obtuse, okay? That's how we classify our triangles, by looking at angles. We're gonna practice this.